We now believe that life began at hydrothermal vents way back 4 billion years ago. Now, why? First of all, in the hydrothermal vents, you've got minerals, you've got energy, so you've got water, so it's heated. So it's a soup that allows DNA to combine and form and link and then develop a shell, and off you go with organisms. These organisms are called extremophiles right now. They live in the extreme. They live always on the verge of death. I mean, they live pretty close to 300 degrees centigrade water. They go there, they get cooked. But there's so much cold water around, we call it advection. The heat gets taken away. So you can live close to the vents without being cooked. So it has unusual life. So you start finding, how did a life adapt itself? Why does it exist there without, for instance, getting cancer? There's no cancer amongst these bugs, because cancer would be absolute death to the whole population. Since there's no sexual reproduction, you have a fault with an organism. It just keeps on replicating itself. So what are we finding out? Well, we're finding out that life in the extreme jealously protects its DNA.